What's up, you groomers? My name is Scott Barnes with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and today I'm gonna show you how to bow out your mustache so you get that sweet handlebar look we all want. Now, I recommend hopping in the shower and washing out your mustache, getting it hydrated, and then drying it off, and then that's where we're gonna start. That way we have a nice clean canvas. Now, the first thing we're gonna use is beard balm. The reason why instead of mustache wax is because beard balm is a hydrator, and it actually moisturizes our hairs. So I want to hydrate my mustache as much as possible. That way when we apply the heat, we're not drying out the hair, causing split ends, or cracking it, causing damage. Now we want to take about a dab's worth of beard balm, and we want to go ahead and start applying that into the tips and the ends of the mustache, where we want to bow and bend the mustache out. So go ahead and meld it between both of your fingers, apply it into your mustache and pinch them off into the end. And we wanna pinch out when we do our mustache. We wanna take it in and we wanna pinch out, creating that swirl, but we do not wanna twist. We do not wanna twist or pinch and twist the mustache. We want to push and bend and pinch. Now that we have a copious amount of product into the ends of our mustache, we wanna take our tools, the curling brush and the hairdryer, and we're gonna use them together. So the first tool we're gonna use is the curling brush. Go ahead and take the end of the curling brush, the top end, and just start pulling it out to the side. And that way we get a straight line between the hairs. And that brush is gonna give an even distribution of that product into the mustache, giving an equal amount of coating into each individual hair. Last thing I wanna use is a hairdryer. Now, as we use the hairdryer, we're gonna pinch the ends of our mustache, and we're gonna actually push in our thumb, creating a bend into the mustache. So for example, as I push out on the side, I'm gonna use my thumb and I'm gonna push it under, creating a bow, and then I'm gonna hit it with the heat on the hairdryer, and I wanna let it stay there for about maybe 10 seconds. And a great example of this is like bending wood. Woodsmiths would take long boards of wood and putting it into a hot steamer and letting it sit there for a very long time. And over that time, the moisture would absorb into the wood and they would be able to bend it and then stay after it would dry. And this is the same concept as we put in the moisturizer, and we let it hold there with the heat for a little bit, and then we let it dry and cool. We don't touch it, we just leave it. We're gonna have a nice, smooth looking handlebar. And just like that reference, it's gonna stay like this even without the product. As we talked earlier in the mustache growing series, we wanna give our hair some direction, so that way when there isn't any product, it will lay and stay without a lot of hairs bursting out and causing a very unfortunate look of the mustache hobo look. We do not want that. So with that, you guys, make sure to stay on top of your products, your tools, and also the style of your mustache, because as you're growing out, we always want to stay on top of it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out our Instagram page. I love you like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya!